Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your dark mode on Google Keep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Google Keep, firstly open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings option. On the display option, tap on Theme. Click on Dark option to enable your dark mode. This is how you can enable dark mode on Google Keep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.